wait till I get home. I always gotta just start eating as I'm driving. It's bad, but it's hot outside, so. Looks so good. Perfect. Sometimes I'll put it in the freezer to let it chill more. When I get home, I'll add some of my powder, collagen powder. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a different type of review, but you guys will still enjoy it because I'm gonna tell you key tips about how to wrap a gift, because it is my daughter's birthday. She'll be turning 5 years old. Yes, baby Shadai, that's her Instagram, tomorrow. And I received the most beautiful wrapping paper right in time from Amazon Findings, because I love shopping on Amazon. From this company right here, they provide very high-end quality wrapping paper. So if you just don't have time to go to CVS or Walmart or Target, and it's a little pricey there, you can get very affordable, nice, crisp, wonderful wrapping paper. And I just got the most perfect wrapping paper, so I can't wait to share that with you. And I can't wait to share what I actually bought my daughter that she'll see tomorrow. So you guys will see it before her. All right, let's get into it. So this is the wrapping paper, you guys. It comes in this nice plastic folder, and you think like, oh, it's just square pieces of paper. No, it's not. And I like that it's not in a roll, because sometimes the roll, when you want to wrap it, it kind of like folds up, and then you gotta, you know, like struggle with it. So this is a lot of wrapping paper, you guys. I want to show you. So I got the beautiful like unicorn sky. And if you open up the sheet, it's a good size sheet for any gift. So it's less cutting and trimming that you have to do. This is beautiful. We're gonna lay that out. I'm gonna wrap a gift with that. But not only one of those, I got another one, and then I got the mermaid, because my daughter's so into mermaids right now. So, I mean, look at all this wrapping paper for the price. So that package comes with multiple designs, and then look, you even get this beautiful like seashell. So we're gonna wrap some gifts with that too. She's gonna love that. And we'll do this one. We'll do all three because I just can't decide. So, and then they give you this great little paper that shows you in detail like how to wrap, but I have wrapping skills, so we might not need this, but this is good for the people that do need it. And I also got this one too. It just says happy birthday. You know, the traditional happy B-Day. Love the packaging again. There's the logo straight across. It's very nice, thick paper. Sometimes I notice wrapping paper can be see-through, but not this one. It's not like sheer. You see, you can't even see the writing. And so that's a good size. And I like it. I bought my daughter quite a bit amount of clothes because she's going to be starting kindergarten really soon. So look how cute this one is, you guys. That one is so cute with the cherries and the little flowers and the cake. That's really cute. All right, so I picked the pieces out, and I had time to go to Jamba Juice. Let me tell you guys, when you eat Jamba Juice, not only they have great juices like the watermelon flavor, they have the great bowls. And as you see earlier, I ate there, and so amazing. And I had to stick in the freezer because it was melting. Good. I added my powder in there, and I put it in the freezer. So the way that I'm saving money with this wonderful, wonderful birthday that she's gonna have tomorrow is that I'm using recyclable boxes. I'm shopping from this company on Amazon, buying really great, affordable, nice wrapping paper. And I shopped at Ross today. So let me show you a little bit what I got her. These cute little shorts. I think I might leave the tag because She has such a small little waist. So if I have to return them, I'll be returning them. So we're gonna fold those up. I'm gonna try to make it fit in one of these boxes. Because, I mean, I could, no, I don't, I wanna keep the hanger on there. Here's a box. So that's one gift. I wanna do a lot of little gifts. I don't like, cause I like keep opening gifts. It makes it more fun. So I want to do a lot of little gifts, and then that's going to look prettier too with the wrapping paper and all. So this one will be ready to wrap. That's good. I'm happy with that. And she lost her lunch pail, so I got her another lunch pail, and this one is so cute because it has two departments. So you got the one right there on the bottom, and then you got the one on the top. And I like that it has a handle and a long strap, because the other one only has a handle and not a long strap. So I think this will be better for her little tiny body. And then it's so hot pink, she cannot lose this one. Like, no way. You know what I mean? So I wonder if I should put like little gummy bears and little snacks inside of it. So she'll be like, ah, I got little snacks. This is so cute. So this was only $7.99 at Ross, you guys, and it's called Rainbow Sherbet. I like that. I like that a lot. I think we're gonna put in this big ugly box, but we are recycling, so this way it won't get smashed or anything. Let's see. And that will be one for us to wrap. Another one to wrap. This was on sale. Extremely soft. It was in the pajama section, but knowing her, she'll probably wear this during the day. So it was only like $5. You can't beat that. You know, it's a little big, but it comes with scrunchie and everything you need. It's perfect. I got these cute water boots that I don't think she'll like, but I don't know. They have like a Swarovski crystal rainbow, but I thought these were so cute. I'm gonna have to find a box for those. Got some dresses for her. I'm thinking she'll wear this one for her actual birthday. And then these I will pack it up. Got a cute doggy bag because we have two little Yorkie Terrier puppies. So I thought this would be really great to give to her too. So when we go to the park, she put her dog in there. And then, you know, every kid needs toys. So I did get her a baby doll. So I think I could wrap this one without it being in a box. So we'll set that over there. I did get a birthday dress for pictures to send to grandma and stuff like that. Can't you believe this is only $14? Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. So we'll leave that out. Those are some of the gifts that she'll see right away. Some baking stuff. It's really cute. It shows that it actually works with water. So this is in a good package, so we could just wrap it how it already is. The girl always needs some pants. These were on sale, like 3 for only like $6.99. Such a good price. So we'll have to wrap that. And I love Hello Kitty. So I had to get her a Hello Kitty sweatshirt. It's a little bit big because winter is not here yet, but this is adorable. I hope she really likes that one because I like it a lot. Stuff that I bought myself. I have a son, so I got him this really cool shirt. I don't know, it's the color. I'm loving this color vibe. And the quality is really nice. It was only $4.99. I'm gonna leave that out because he might wear that tomorrow. And then a Mickey Mouse shirt. So if she decides the Mickey Mouse shirt, then he'll wear this Mickey Mouse shirt. And then if she decides the dress, he'll wear that fun shirt. And then I'll wrap the other one. And then some slip-on shoes. She liked these when we went to Ross a couple times ago. So I'm hoping that they fit her because these are 13s. They're a little big. I want him to start wearing little boxer briefs. 5 of these, cotton, only for $8. So that's his little gift that I'll wrap up in a box for him. Got some gummies and some more little candy because she loves her candy. So let's get to the wrapping. key is to already have your tape pre-cut. So I have like maybe 6 pieces already pre-cut. I didn't have to cut this wrapping paper. It was already the perfect size for the gift. One good thing about this wrapping paper, I mean, I've wrapped so many gifts and I still have so much wrapping paper left. So you get so much for your buck. That's what I liked. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm about to do 10 right here. I really enjoy doing videos like this, and I don't mind wrapping up a lot of gifts. As you see, I wrapped over, I think, like 12 or 15 different gifts. Let me know down below in the comments of what wrapping paper you guys like the best in the color, and I hope that my technique helped you learn how to wrap a gift. I mean, mine is not like the best, but it is pretty good. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to see you again. And on that note, give this video a thumbs up.